Hi, this is Michael Mangelli from MarineMax here in beautiful Sarasota. We're on board a 2020 330 Outrage from Boston Whaler. This particular boat features twin white 300 Mercury Verados. As you walk through the deck here, you'll see a lot of beautiful space, open space, nice aft rear-facing seat, which also converts to a nice surface area here, complete with slots for your cup. Like most of the Outrages, it features an aft seat, fold-down seat here. So easily stows if you want to fish the back of the boat and access your twin port and starboard fish boxes on both sides. Rod holders all along the back of the boat. Features a very nice live well. Freshwater wash down here on the starboard side, walk through transom. These 330 Outrages feature the guide build here on the port side with a grab handle that slides out as well, and a ladder easily accessible. As you move forward here to the helm, you're going to see both seats feature a bolster, so you can sit or stand comfortably. Nice beautiful armrest here in the middle. This particular boat has no electronics, so you can put in what you like. This is a non-joystick boat. It features the Lomar bow thruster and Lenco trim tab. As we move forward here, the 330 Outrage features this very popular forward-facing lounger with armrests on both sides, cup holders on both sides, and a lot of valuable storage space, complete with room to step down in there, rod holders through the head, plenty of space to store everything you might need. This particular boat features the Fusion stereo, and this one has the bow controls, so you can control your stereo from the bow. A lot of cushion seating here at the bow, rod holders, both on both sides here at the bow, which is multifunctional, attaches to the hardtop where you'll find these clips. You have a shade here that extends out over the bow. As you move back here towards the back of the boat, this is your head compartment. Nice size head, freshwater sink, and then you can see in there are those attachments for the bow shade. So lots of space, lots of comfort, lots of fishability. This has been a quick walkthrough of the 330 Outrage 2020 here in Sarasota, Florida. Feel free to reach out to us on the website or 941-388-4411.